Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Bangladesh in the Remitly app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go to the manage menu, then we tap on sending to under account details, scroll down, tap on Bangladesh, and after the app loads, when we tap on send at the bottom of the screen, we will be able to transfer money to Bangladesh. And we just tapped on send. Now we can enter how much money we want to send, and then review the transfer details, and then by tapping continue we can add our banking or card information through which we can send the money. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.